The strength of bamboo is wonderful, but its life usually varies, especially on farms. If you go to a farmer's field, you will see bamboo often gets diseases, insect attacks or fungus. This weakens it and even harms crops. When I saw the work of Bhavya Srishti Udyog, I felt that now a real solution had come. In the last 15 to 20 years, I have seen many changes in agriculture. But this new technology, launched as Bahu-balli, is truly revolutionary. It is industrial processed bamboo which is treated with VPI and coated with HDPE, which gives it superior strength and durability. Just the coating itself creates a big change. Because of this coating, the bamboo does not catch fungus, it does not get insect or termite attacks, and it does not rot. Earlier, fungus on bamboo became a source of crop disease. Now that source is eliminated. This directly helps farmers reduce their fungicide costs. The cost of vegetable cultivation will go down, and it helps farmers to eliminate the use of harmful chemicals. The biggest saving by using this Bahu-balli pole is that farmers will only have to buy it once. These poles last for 10 to 15 years. That is a huge advantage. Every year, farmers used to face damage from termite, fungus, or broken cement and iron poles. With Bahu-balli, they are free from all this. Its strength is excellent. For fencing, it protects crops from animals and theft, and the cost also reduces. Normally, while doing fencing, cement poles break, animals damage it, iron poles rust and bend, and bamboo rots in the rain. Ultimately, farmers get its benefit for 3-4 years or max 5 years. After that, they are supposed to change cement or iron pole after 5 years. The best thing with Bahu-balli, once installed, they are tension-free for the next 10-15 years. Talking about this farm, this is the second year of its use, and the farmer is very much relaxed as he does not have to constantly worry about replacing the poles with new ones. Even after heavy rains, old bamboo would have decayed by now, but the Bahu-balli poles are still standing strong. The farmer is getting ready for the next crop. I feel that this technology is very favorable for the environment. We are very much disturbed by the fact that iron reserves will finish one day. Limestone for cement will also finish. But bamboo can keep growing in farms every year. Now we have found a sustainable use of bamboo. For farmers, it is a huge relief. It is a green technology. It supports organic farming, and it is perfect for sustainable agriculture.